Did you know most people have no idea how to sell a home? There are many tips and tricks that can be put into place to make sure that your home selling process is fantastic and you get the results that you want. My name is Jonathan Mayotte, real estate broker with RE/MAX in your area. And today I'm sharing with you 5 tips as a home seller that you should think about putting into place to make sure you have a great transaction. Trick number 1, get rid of the clutter. Very simple. Clutter is the worst thing that you can have in your home. As a home buyer walking through a property, if it's cluttered with stuff, you don't get to see the potential of the home, the space that it actually gives you, etc. So make sure you get rid of all the clutter before you even think about listing your home. Number 2, pack it up. Anything that you don't need, out of season clothes, boots, etc. if it's summer, pack them up, put them in storage so that they're not lying around the house and that everybody has access to the property to see how great all the closets have so much space, it's not full of stuff, etc. Pack it up. If you don't need it for the next couple of months, put it in boxes, get it out of the house, put it in storage. It's the best thing you could do, trust me. Number 3, make sure to study the market and work with professionals that will be able to give you the information you need to make an informed decision. Find out how many homes similar to yours and comparable to yours are on the market. How many have sold lately? What did they look like? Look at the pictures. How many days were they on the market? That way you will have the perfect information to know and base your decisions on. Okay? Number 4, work with a professional that has a reach and clientele in your local area. How many times do we see realtors from another area list homes? Those properties will sell. It's not a question of whether or not it will sell, but more often than not, they may not even sell for as high as they could have if the person had used a local professional. Number 5, make sure to set realistic expectations. You've gotten the information, you know what to expect. Set realistic expectations. Don't overprice the home. Is the worst solution, okay? Price it properly. Let buyers come and visit. More often than not, in this market, you're gonna end up with multiple offers, which will drive the price up, okay? And you will end up selling for more than you would have if you had overpriced the home. In this market, buyers flock to the internet as the first step in their home buying process, which is so important as a seller to make sure that you're working with a professional who will know how to leverage technology to make sure your home gets the reach it needs to reach out to all those potential buyers. If you've had any other questions about the home selling process, don't hesitate to reach out. We're always here to help. Talking is free. Give us a call. My phone number is 514-778-7776. I look forward to speaking to some of you soon. I hope you found the information valuable. Use it, work with your professional, make sure you have a great transaction. That being said, have a great day everyone, and thanks for watching.